Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting and cash stuffing, including sinking funds and savings challenges. So today I have for you a cash stuffing. We are going to be stuffing our bills, our subscriptions, and our cash envelopes. This is going to be a double income week for us. My husband did get his paycheck. So if you're interested to see how I budget with a 2-income household while also using prop money and real cash, make sure you stick around for the rest of this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get into it. So I did move things around a little bit on my sheet from normal, just so that we had enough space. This will be the first time I am stuffing, we'll say half of each bill. So we are currently a full month ahead. July is already paid for, and we are now stuffing for August. So my husband's income will all be using prop money for that. His money does get direct deposited into our account that pays all of our bills. This is just easiest for us, but I do like to kind of use the prop money to cash stuff so I can kind of see where we are at, and so that we don't get behind in any area. Okay, so the goal here is to stuff half of each bill for August. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. And we are going to be starting with our mortgage. So for today, we are stuffing $724 into mortgage. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now my husband does get paid bi-weekly. July is a 3-paycheck month. We use that first paycheck to go ahead and pay the rest of July, and these next two are going to be for August's bills. All right, next is our HOA fees, and that is getting $246. So 220, 45, 6. Our bills, we just kind of stuff with his money. He gets paid every other week, so that's why we are doing the bills divided in half. This envelope right here is to signify for our water bill. That is not coming out in August, so we are not stuffing it today. Next is T-Mobile. That gets 109. So 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now it might make more sense for you to stuff cash here if that's what you want. We do decide not to do that and to use the prop money, just because I do not feel comfortable having all of this money in my house. Like, I already have a lot between all my cash envelopes and sinking funds and savings challenges, so we just choose not to do that. PayPal, we are not stuffing, and that is because the only thing that is currently on here is our Disney resort, and that should be getting paid off in full in August, so I'm not worried about it. Well, actually, we'll probably end up paying it off at the end of July here, so we should not be having a balance on that. So nothing there. Natural gas is going to be getting $15. This is just for our heat, and because it is the summertime, there is not a lot of the natural gas being used, so $15 is plenty. Next up is electric. That is getting $75. And as we get closer to August, we'll kind of know what these variable bills will be, and I can kind of move things around where need be. Car, The car loan, that is getting $125. All right, cable is getting $16. This bill is actually just for our cable boxes. Most of our cable is paid up in the HOA fees, but this is just for like the boxes and stuff that are extra that aren't included. So that is why that bill is so low for us. Insurance, this is car insurance and motorcycle insurance, and that gets $62. And Discover is getting $225. So $225. The money in this envelope is what we use. So our Chase is what we use for most of our weekly expenses. I do have prop money in here. This is just what I know I have cash for that I have to make the payment on because I haven't made that payment for July yet. We do have buffer money right now. Right now we have $271. We're not adding anything to that today, but this is just for, you know, if the variable bills are a little bit higher than we expected, we can pull from this buffer account, or if we end up not having enough like in the water bill come the next month, we've got some extra there. Next up is taxes, and that is where we are moving on to our actual cash money. I am a server, so I do make my income in cash each week. I don't get any paycheck or anything like that. I make $2.13 an hour. That is not enough to cover my taxes for the year. So right now we are stuffing 5% of my income into this envelope so that we have money come tax season. And this week that is $50. I'm also not counting this up each week. I do count it up when I do my sinking funds update at the end of the month, because the cash that I have in here, I just go ahead and deposit into the bank, and then I fill that with prop money just to keep track of everything. But yeah, we're not counting that today. Let's move on to subscriptions, okay? So that's up over here. First up is gym. My husband's gym membership gets $10 every week. And so that is at $10, $20, $30, $31, $32, $33, $34. iCloud is fully funded for July. Next up is Strava. Now I did have a good week, so I wanted to put a decent amount towards this for this one. Okay, so we are doing $25, which means we get to color in some boxes. So we get to color, each box is worth $5, which means we get to color in 5 boxes. So let's see. One here. So 1. 2. 3. 4. 4, and 5. All right, so this challenge is almost done. We only have to color in 2 more boxes, but we have 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So $50. This one isn't due until the end of August, so we are almost ready for that payment. Okay, and that's going to be it for subscriptions. Next up, we're going to move on to our cash envelopes. So, personal envelope, I get $25 each week. I currently have nothing in there because I spent it last week. So I'm starting over fresh with $25. My husband is also getting $25. So he has 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Groceries is up next, and we are doing 175 there. So 100, 20, 40, 60, 75. So we are now up to 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. So 194 for groceries. Gas is going to be getting $50. So now for gas, we are at 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Pet care is getting $35. So pet care now has 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. All right, and dining is getting $80 this week. So 20, 40, 60, 80. Fun will be getting $20. And miscellaneous is going to be getting 10. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so we got this envelope, this binder nice and full this week. That was one of my goals. All right, so that is going to be it for today. Make sure you come back tomorrow. We are going to be stuffing all of our sinking funds and savings challenges. And y'all, we have $563 to work with, and I am super excited for this one. So make sure you stay tuned tomorrow, and I'll see you then. Bye.